why it's so big. Oh, it's a cocktail apparently, but yeah, that was not the plan, but okay, as we do.
Pastel pink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed with this?
Je déteste ça. Bonjour. Hi guys. So we're just getting ready. This phone is going off. We're just getting ready to go to the beach, to go to the island Cyprus. So it's a bit early in the morning, but I'm excited. It's a beautiful island. We're gonna spend the day there on the beach and just enjoy the beautiful islands, explore. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for this part of the trip going to Capri. The outfit, this is what we're looking like. Looking all beachy and ish, ready to go chill on the beach. Yeah, just sort of showing the outfit. It's so cute, right? Like, I feel so girly. On our way to Capri, we made it onto the ferry. You need to take a ferry from Naples, or you can take it from other cities, but you need to take a ferry to go to the actual island. So we on the ferry, it should be an hour and a half or so to get there. So yeah, we had to rush a bit because we're a bit late, but we made it. So I'm happy. Yeah. Island, and now we are trying to get to our beach club, and this guy's making me walk all the way there because he doesn't want to. He's like the sporty one, and he's like, no, you're on holiday but you still need to do some exercise. So that's what we're doing now. We're doing some, well, first we need to find breakfast, and then we go find the beach club. Yeah, let's go. Breakfast, and as you can see, this is what you get in generally in Italy. You get obviously the coffee, and then you get your they have these stuffed croissants. I love them so much. Mine is the one here with stuffed with cream of sorts, and this one is pistachio. And Mr. is having serious coffee. I'm just having a normal coffee, and we have an amazing view to enjoy it. Yeah, holidays. We are going, just need to get down there. Finally found the place that we're supposed to go to. That's the place. You can see it over there. So gorgeous. What's the name of this place? Luigi something. I'll put it in the text somewhere here so you know if you're coming. The site that's the beach club we're going to. It looks so amazing. It's just by a creek by a big rock. Let's go have some fun. I'm finally gonna get my cocktail. Yes. So we are here at the Luigi. We are here at the Luigi beach club. As you can see, you can go and swim down there. It's quite beautiful actually. And there's like this beautiful rock situation. It's stunning. I mean, if it was hot, so it would be amazing, but we have what we have. Oh, look at that water. Oh, I can't wait to go in there. So excited. Look at it, it's just like... So, gonna go in there and have some fun. It's coming out now. It's beautiful. Oh, this place is amazing, guys. I really recommend it if you're coming to Capri. Book one of these beach clubs. There's one here and there's another one just across the side, but I'm really enjoying this one. And also you can have lunch here, so we're gonna do that soon. Just waiting for the meal. He's busy swimming. But I'm just enjoying today. It's such a beautiful day. Sun is now out and about, so yeah, it's a good day. It's a good day. Anyway, so let's go and have some lunch and see what they got, because apparently the restaurant here, it's literally based on whatever they catch, so it changes every day, which is amazing. So let's go find out what we're gonna eat. So we are now having lunch at the restaurant here. We've gotten some burrata as a starter and some wine, and the view obviously is amazing. Oh, it's nice. Can go and taste. Ooh. Be careful. Oh yeah, love burrata. Ooh, so we got some octopus, we've got some squid. Yummy. Never seen such clear water. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Guys, life is nice, see? Life is nice. Woo. ordering a drink, or I wanted some ice cream, some gelato, and then this whole situation came through. I don't know what it is, why it's so big. Oh, it's a cocktail apparently, but yeah, that was not the plan, but okay, as we do. Limoncello or something like that.